right. Are you ready?
Yeah, questions, please.
Okay. Who is the first person you call when you're in trouble?
That has changed over the years, and it depends on what kind of trouble I'm in. So before I met Stephen, whenever I had car trouble, I used to call my biggest brother David
Yep.
back in Yeppoon, which is like 900 kilometres away, thinking he could help me. And as it turns out, every time he did, and he's incredibly smart, that guy. So when it had to do with cars, it was David. Always Dad. He's a very, very patient man, and he's had two daughters that have tested him a lot. So Trevor is who was my dad.
Yep.
He has always gotten us out of a lot of trouble. But now it's my husband, lucky fella. So but yeah.
I think mine does differ as well, depending on the situation. Obviously, my fiance,
Yeah,
Kate,
fiancé.
is the one that I would call first, and
Yeah.
I think that the good thing is I've got a number of people that I can call. So
Yeah.
my mum or my dad or my brother or my best mates and things like that. I do
Yeah.
have a lot of people around me. I think having that option is really, really good.
Yeah. And you're one of four boys, so you're the angel of all four of you, aren't you, Jack?
I think so. Yeah. Well, definitely. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm fully aware of that.
Yeah. We should get your mum on here and see what she says.
But no, I do. I think that having that option to call. But yeah, it's one of those few people,
Yeah.
and it will depend on the situation. But
Yeah.
more often than not, I'll call my missus first and
Yeah.
just let her know what's happening.
Say, honey, help me.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cute. Okay, well, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a really nice Sunday ahead. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or comment below. And last but not least, another big thank you to the guys here at Walton's Pantry for
Yes.
putting us up and looking after us today. So if you need somewhere to go and want a delicious breakfast, nice lunch, come check them out.
Yes.
See you later.
Thank you. Cheers.
Bye.